Y'all seeing all this right now, man? I didn't curb it. That's like, yeah, that's... Look at this thing. Can't recall the last time my car was this filthy, actually. Texas has had some crazy weather. It's car wash time. Look at this. We're gonna be going to a real sketchy car wash, AKA one that touches the car. I was looking around and I managed to find one that's pretty close to me that it looks to have some pretty good reviews. The real thing you gotta look at is the pictures of the cars that go through. Now, the owner did post these pictures, so it could be a little marketing propaganda even, but I see a couple Porsches going through there. I saw a Ferrari going through there. I saw a few cars definitely more expensive than this one going through there. So we're gonna see what's up. If they can trust it, maybe I can too. I don't know if that's a good line of thinking, but you also did see a lot of SUV. You know, you see a lot of the Mercedes, BMW SUVs, but I feel like that's really like soccer moms, and they didn't even pay for the car, and they're like, haha, I gotta get a car wash real quick. So you can't really trust those pictures, but the Ferrari is really the one that got me. I don't think I've ever seen a Ferrari go through a drive-through car wash. It could even be AI, bro. Who knows? But hey, we'll see what's up. Little POV drive to the car wash. Also, this place happens to be right next to the dispensary. I've never gone there before. Well, usually I go to the touchless car wash, but it's not working, so we might as well stop by the dispo after, maybe get an eighth or two. Bro, my car's so dirty I can't even see in the sunlight. It's crazy.
Please make a selection.
24 bones. Enter your phone number. Yeah, they're tripping. Moment of truth, everybody. Damn, look how many people have curbed right there. That's hilarious. I think I'm gonna put my front lift up. I think that would be smartest. Damn, you're gonna put my seatbelt on for this. Oh. Oh my, oh God, that didn't sound good. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing this, dude. Would she stop it? I think I trust her to stop it if anything goes nuts. Hey, they said soft touch. It looks like it's gonna be touching the shit out of me. They're lying to me right now. Oh, nah, dude. Oh, now I'm blind. Oh my. Yeah, it made me feel a little bit better. Ooh, wait. Guess I'll put my mirrors in too, huh? It's probably a smart idea. Hey, 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 hey. It's like a little party going on in here, man. I feel like I haven't gone through one of these in forever, bro. It's kind of nice. Spot free, clear coat sealant. Dude, I'm tweaking right now. I'm actually like scared. Oh, dude, we're gonna have to take a look, man. It feels clean. It definitely, all right. I mean, it's definitely looking clean. Oh, I forgot to put my lift down. Oops. All right, let's see. Was this worth $20 or do I have like hundreds of dollars? No, I can't even say that. You can't even say that out loud, bro. The power of the tongue. I mean, it could have cleaned these bad boys a little bit better, but I'm at least glad it didn't scratch. Wait. What the fuck? I think it's just dirty. Yeah, that's just dirty. All right, we're good. Okay. I mean, it's looking pretty clean, I can't lie. Wish it dried it a little bit better, but like, bro, that might be one of the best drive-through washes I've ever had. No glaze. I'm not even gonna like advertise this place, you know what I mean? Shit. I'm pretty happy with it. What the fuck? I've never seen this before. Oh, no. All right, that was pretty awesome, I can't lie. Oh, look, a Porsche. That is a nice Mustang, wow. Nice. Look, the store is literally right here, bro. Let's do it. I bet you I could, I don't know if that's like an independent little wash place, but I bet you we could cook up some little promo where it's like if you get a wash, you get a discount here. If you get an eighth from us, you get a discount there. I know there's something that can be worked out right there. We might just have to give them a little email, a little phone call or something. E90? Nice. Someone pulled up in the funniest Scion. Let's, damn, there's a couple people in the store right now. It's pretty lit. Oh, I don't even want to roll down my window, bro. Oh. Yo, what's up, dude? Can I just get any eighth?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, just like pull up.
It doesn't matter. What's your preference? Sativa, indica, hybrid?
I think it's sativa.
Okay.
Let's go. Thank you, my friend. You have a good one, all right, man?
You too, bro. Be safe.
Appreciate you.
Enjoy the day, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Absolutely, brother. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Oh my God, look, we have new bags. It's pretty awesome. What a good guy right there. If you see him, you gotta let him know he's a good fucking guy. All right, let's see if this is all. Oh no, man, no. I think I have. Yes. Oh, it's already dry. Wait, am I tripping? What? How the fuck? Bro, I think that's just the tint. Yo. I can't believe I didn't notice that before. Y'all see that? I'm tripping, man. I must be absolutely faded. All right, it's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys for watching another one. We'll get one last poll in just because you watched till the end of the video and you deserve it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that nonsense. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, always stay safe out there. See, I'm telling you guys to stay safe, and I'm not even staying safe. There's a lot of these Chryslers here in Texas, man, and I feel like a good percentage of them are Hellcat engine swapped. Just kind of lit. Nice. Very nice. It's just a good day to be alive, good day to drive fast. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. I love you. Peace.